Hello, I'm Dan. I'm with Madison Banders. We manufacture industry-leading orbital film and tape banding machines. In today's video, we're going to be talking about and demonstrating how to use our tape banders for discretionary packaging. So there's a number of reasons why the product would need to be contained, whether it's the value, any number of reasons. But we're going to be using sustainable products, craft paper and paper tape, to completely conceal and cover this box, making it ready for the parcel stream. So let's get started. We're simply going to pull out the appropriate amount of craft paper over the package. You can rotate it, simply rotate it again. Cut off the edge. Now, depending on the package and what has to be done, you could go around multiple times, giving a little extra padding. But for this box, it's pretty rigid, so we're just going to go one layer of craft paper. Just going to fold the sides in. Now we're going to rotate it. We're going to do the same on this end. Rotate the sides, bring this package over. Now this package is ready to be taped. We're going to take it over to the tape bander, place it into the bander. Apply one revolution of tape, we'll rotate it 90 degrees. Apply a crossband. Now this package is ready for the shipping label and to send it on its way. If you have any questions on this or to talk about your own packaging needs, give us a call.